Hey everybody, my name is Garrett Kuhlmann.
And my name is Ashton Wu.
And this is our access card organizer machine, which we built as part of the AER201 course at the University of Toronto, which is part of the Engineering Science curriculum.
What this machine does is it takes an access card like this in a random orientated stack and sorts them so that they're all facing the same direction. Alright guys, we're going to do an example run. As you can see, all the cards are disoriented. After we run it through the machine, they should all be sorted. And there you go. All cards oriented correctly. And if you come around to the screen, 19 cards were sorted in 9 seconds.
Alright, now I'm going to give a brief overview on how the machine actually works. You load the cards in the top of the machine into the loading area, where a force is put on the cards so that the face of the cards is flush with the two feeding motors here. The feeding motors feed the cards through one by one, where they pass through the two photo sensors, which are connected to those green wires there. The photo sensors read the card as it shoots into this waiting area. After the orientation of the card has been detected, it is determined whether it needs to be flipped with this flipping solenoid or rotated with the rotating base. After all the cards have been shot through the machine, the receiving tray may be removed where the cards may be retrieved. Moving on to the user interface, you can see we have an LCD which the machine uses to communicate with the user. We have a keypad which the user operates to communicate with the machine. We have an on-off switch, and you can notice that the time is displayed whenever you turn the machine on. We have an emergency stop switch, which is used to cut all power to the motors should there be an emergency. And finally, we have our printed circuit board, which houses all the electronics for the motors as well as the sensors, including our real-time clock and our PIC, which is the main microcontroller used in the machine.
Well, that's a brief overview of our design.
We hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as we did designing and constructing the project.
We put a lot of hard work into this machine over the semester, and it was really rewarding when we won the course design competition.
We'd like to thank everyone that was involved with the project, and we'd like to thank you for watching the video.